I'm not going to make mistake of attempting to have a third term or whatever term. Besides the age, I swore by the holy book I believe in that I will go by the Constitution, and the Constitution said 2 terms.
President Muhammadu Buhari, however, promised to work assiduously towards ensuring that the governing APC remains the party to beat in Nigeria's political landscape.
We will work honestly through the system to make sure that we get the best that can come out and get elected to the top. And we hope he will be an APC candidate. Every member of NEC should from today reposition himself or herself to make sure that you have dominated your constituencies politically. History will not be fair to us, quite rightly, if the APC collapses at the end of this term.
The president said in the remaining period of his tenure, he will remain focused and execute his mandate conscientiously and with absolute concern and care for Nigeria and Nigerians.
I know between me and majority of Nigerians, the previous election proved it that we are in good terms. And I would like to maintain that respect. I would like to carry you along to make sure that we have wakened up this country. We have worked very hard wherever we found ourselves.
While reflecting on the performance of the party in the last general elections, the president described the loss suffered in some states due to internal wrangling as unfortunate. He used the opportunity to appreciate the leadership of the 9th National Assembly for continuously exhibiting high sense of responsibility and patriotism, unlike what obtained in the last assembly.
The 9th National Assembly have so much commitment. They sit down on important issues and we make a lot of progress. This relationship we will try and maintain because there are a lot of things that will not go public. But I assure you that we are making a lot of progress.
The national chairman of the APC, Adams Oshomole, described as reassuring the leadership provided by the president in addressing Nigeria's fundamental challenges.
There can be no question that the president had provided leadership to tackle head-on 3 critical issues that has bogged down the Nigerian nation, which you eloquently summarize as the economy, security, and war against corruption.
This, he said, is responsible for the greater confidence reposed in the party by Nigerians, hence the overwhelming victory recorded in the last general elections.
I think our victory in Kwara State, for me, was most outstanding. I think we now generally refer to Kwara with pride as Otoge Revolution.
The National Executive Committee meeting attended by the Vice President, principal officers of the National Assembly, members of the National Working Committee and other stalwarts of the party was the first since the last general elections. In Abuja, Adamu Sambu, NTA News.